March 29th, about 10 o'clock on this Thursday, 2018. Rick Miracle video in the sky, noticing the dumping of chemicals, these spray lines, and the dispersed lines, big fat lines that have spread apart, as you can see. Painting the sky pasty white on top of the clouds. Why would they be dumping this much stuff? That right there is dumped chemicals. That's clouds. You can tell the difference. One, they're long straight lines, and you can tell they've been blowing apart. And they start out as smaller lines like you see here. Look at this long one here. So they're dumping tons of chemicals in the sky here in the mountains of North Carolina on this Thursday morning in March. Why? What's the purpose? Another good question. What does it cost? Why would they spend that kind of money? Rick Miracle reporting. March 29, about 1 o'clock on this Thursday, 2018. Because I've been noticing something unusual. This is a busy highway, as you can see. Cars constantly coming. And I've been noticing these cell phone towers with crazy, I can't even count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 levels, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 7 or 8 or more, plus or minus, transmitter receiver antennas up there. Thick cables requiring a lot of power. And a notice on the right there, the radiation warning notice. I'm not going to get any closer because it says private property. This is concerning from several standpoints. That's a lot of power, the size of those cables. It's so close to the road is my point. And within a mile or less from here is another one close to the road. And everywhere I've been driving lately, you see these things close to the road instead of far away on top of the mountain. A lot of concern about these issues these days. Weaponizing microwave transmissions, etc., harming people. There's my story, Rick Miracle reported. March 30th, about 9 o'clock. Woke up this morning and I noticed, yet again, the dumping of chemicals in the sky. No doubt about it. So what are they dumping and why? And I'm noticing something unusual about town and down the interstate. The cell phone towers are being placed right next to the roads. And there's 2 side by side next to a school and a church. I was watching a video. Apparently the frequencies of the 5G are going to be similar size to oxygen molecules. 4G, or wireless, during the time of 4G, was the time of water molecules. So when you have an electromagnetic frequency the same size as a molecule, they resonate, hence they get agitated and heat up and get destroyed. That's how a microwave works. So the 5G operating at the oxygen molecule wavelength size means that oxygen will be depleted, agitated, destroyed. And all this stuff going on, even North Carolina passing a legislation, there'll be no community, city, town, local discussions or opposition to installation of the 5G network. Why would they do that? Meanwhile, they spray us with all these heavy metals, which gets in our bodies, which can't be good with all these electromagnetic frequencies in the high megahertz or gigahertz range, because they can heat up those metals in your body and agitate, heat them up and destroy them. In other words, cook us alive. Just like the crowd control weapon truck with the microwave dish on it does. You can look on the internet and see the demonstrations of the journalists standing in front of it while they turn it on, and everybody starts hopping around like a chicken. What's coming to our future? How long have they been spraying chemicals on us? Quite a while. When would all come to a head? Rick Miracle reporting from the mountains of North Carolina with beautiful weather today. Here's a guy seeding or fertilizing his lawn. Beautiful place to be. But they're still spraying us here and installing these insidious cell phone and other radiation in the high frequency ranges. Go on the internet, look up some of the YouTube discussions by experts and decide for yourself. I think we're under attack. Rick Miracle reporting. March 31st, about 6 o'clock, 2018. Rick Miracle here in the mountains of North Carolina, noticing insanity in the sky. Everything you see is sprayed chemicals. None of this is clouds. You don't need to be Sherlock Holmes to figure it out. You can lay down on the ground and look up and watch them spray and watch it spread apart. It's not difficult to do. You can see all the straight lines. Why are they doing this? Here in the mountains of North Carolina, and likely every city across the country. Why would they be dumping this much chemicals, maybe biologicals, in the sky? It cannot be good for humans. I keep reporting. Saturday, the last day of March in 2018. Rick Miracle reporting. Let's take a look at some pictures. Apparently there's plenty of evidence to indicate that the microwave radiations do affect us. You can go watch videos like this one with Jeff and Joe Embryo, The Wicked Dangers of 5G. There's plenty of evidence out there, and then of course they're putting smart meters on our homes and hooking up to the entire electrical system in our houses, the TVs even watching us. Something strange is going on in the world. Even in California, they had all those weird fires where even aluminum was melting. And in this case, you get a person burning to death, but not the clothes, because the clothes are not affected by microwaves. Just like in California, the trees weren't affected, but the aluminum tires and other things were. This is a crowd control vehicle or weaponized microwaves, you could start beaming them at people. This has been going on quite a while. So there's plenty of evidence out there. All you have to do is go on like YouTube or Yahoo Images and look up weaponized microwaves communication systems. And you'll find all these pictures and the links. And even when I looked up weaponizing microwaves, I found this particular chart that shows you the different frequency ranges. So there is intention and there is knowledge. They know what they're doing. Who is they? Who's doing this? Apparently it's part of the secret societies, the Illuminati, part of some secret mystery religion into Satanism and Luciferianism, and they're bringing us all kinds of TV programs, even called Lucifer, and the horrific details in the program Gotham, and then of course Modern Family, and so much more. And they've been doing this for quite a while. MK Ultra is pretty old, lots of information on the internet about it. Please go look up this stuff. It seems to be seriously concerning Rick Merico reporting.